Hi guys, can anyone hear me? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Can you hear me? Good morning from Berlin. Hi. Okay. Can you guys see my slide? All right. So we just wait for a couple more minutes for everyone to join us, all right? What is the... Okay. So... Okay, so wow, today it's quite a number of you guys joining. How you guys doing so far? So we start maybe just say 1 to 2 minutes, okay? So I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Okay, guys. I think we should just start our webinar for today. So today webinar is going to be the last series for Fibonacci. Okay. I think for the last two webinars, I did Fibonacci retracement and extension, and Fibonacci expansion and projection. So today we're going to cover Fibonacci Confluence. Okay. So any one of you guys try or use Fibonacci after the webinars? Do you guys find it's very useful? Anyone, guys? Actually, I have one question, just a recap. Okay, let's say there is a key node that you need to remember if you want to use Fibonacci expansion. Okay, what is the rules? What is the rule if you want to use Fibonacci expansion? Do you guys still remember? Just want to recap. You guys still can remember? Yes, good. Okay. None. Okay. First time here, but I think it's talking into consideration to elite wave. No, I'm not talking about elite wave. Just talking about Fibo expansion. So like there is a key point if you want to use Fibonacci expansion, which is negative 27.2 or negative 61.8%, when you can use that expansion. It's okay, guys, if you guys cannot remember or if you guys haven't watched the webinar yet. Okay, I just want to kind of like remind you guys, if you want to use Fibonacci expansion, okay, it need to retrace at least 50%, okay, and then you can use Fibonacci expansion. Or maybe I will show you guys as the light chart later. Okay, let's just begin our session for today. Like I said, today I'm going to cover Fibonacci conference. All right. Okay, so disclaimer. Okay, so any information in this video does not contain and should not be construed as containing investment advice or investment recommendation. Okay, if you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence. All right, as you know, risk warning, safety are very complex instrument, and it comes with very high risk of losing your money. Okay, just keep that in mind. Introducing your host for today. I think some of you already know or may not know me. My name is Peggy. I'm I'm working at Fraudulent Group, and this webinar is brought to you in special partnership with Fraudulent Group and IC Market, where EFG has won best FX and equity research from 2019, 20, and 21. And I myself, I do a prop trading as well. This is some of the certificate that I have passed the challenge. Okay, so today we're going to cover what is Fibonacci conference, combining Fibonacci methods, trade management with Fibonacci conference and live example. Okay, so what is Fibonacci conference? Okay, so here, let me find the pen. Guy, if you have any question, you can just ask me, or stop me anytime you want to, and then I will try to answer all the question. All right. So since we already covered Fibonacci retracement, extension, expansion, and projection, you can combine all Fibonacci retracement, which is here for the example. Okay. Let me find. This is Fibonacci negative 27.2. Okay, actually this is Fibonacci expansion, and when you draw Fibo from this level, okay, from this level, this is your starting point for Fibonacci retracement, right? And this is, you can see that 78.6% is here, right? I think it's best for you to bring you to the light charge. Where is my just give me a while. Okay. 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 So basically, Fibonacci confluence, which is when you need to draw Fibo, okay, just to get the level. For example, let me go to EU. Okay, and let me put the watermark so you guys know what pair and which time frame I'm looking at. Okay, for example, this is the one. Let me remove all the. Okay, first we're going to find Confluence, right? You draw Fibonacci retracement first. Okay, and you know that this is the level at 78.6, where is the price reach this level and then reverse back. Okay, okay, I will tell you how I get like this level. Okay, 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. So I'm going to show this level, and then I use projection. Okay, and you can see how this is called Fibonacci confluent, which is why I get this level to sell from here, because you can see that this is confluence zone, which is, let me zoom in for you to see, this has 61.8% and 78.6% and 61.8% projection. Let me try to put it on top, middle. Okay, then you want, okay, let me zoom in. Okay, in this zone, you guys can see, right, when you zoom in, we have 78.6% retracement and we have 61.8% projection. That's why last week I'm sell from here. Okay, you can see that this is confluence zone. You can see, right? Hi, good evening, Desiree. Nice to see you again. Long time no see though. Okay, this is how I get the zone. Okay, and then you can use Fibonacci retracement to help you to find where is your TP if you want to sell from the top. And after that, you pull out all the Fibonacci, right? And when you see like this, actually my first TP is slightly above 23.6%. Okay, I'm really happy with this zone. And when you were to draw like this, you can make this is your first support. Okay, and you know this is the zone that price break, and after that is reverse. Okay, I think last week my analysis is like this. If you guys look at IC market block, right, I think last week I said this is my first support, right, and this is our second support, and this is my first TP, and this our second TP. You can see that, and then price reverse from here all the way down, hit, you know, TP2. Okay, this is how you get the Fibonacci confluence from here. Okay, this is one of the example. This is the one. Any questions so far, guys? Okay. Okay, there is no question. Okay, so like I say, what is Fibonacci? You just know multiple Fibonacci retracement level lining together. This is, you know, let's say if there is more than two, that meaning that that area is very strong, or strong area, or that might could be a key level as well. Okay, it tells you to increase probability of a bounce up Fibonacci retracement level, you know, versus a single Fibonacci retracement level working, and you can combine all those together. So as you can see here, this is Fibonacci expansion, this is extension, and this is retracement. So all three line up together, and then you can see that price is bound off from this level. Okay. Okay, quite soft. Okay. Any one of you can hear me clearly? Is Do I need to increase? Okay. It's not. Is the sound is not too soft, right? Okay, and maybe I put the mic near to my mouth so you guys can hear. Okay, I think so far it's good now. Okay, so combining Fibonacci methods, we see I just show you guys here. For example, method 1. Okay, this is your starting point. Okay, this is your ending point. This is downtrend. Okay, on downtrend, your starting point here, so you pull your Fibonacci. Okay, and then you can see that when you put like this is 61.8%. Okay, projection. No, sorry, I think I'm wrong. Let me delete first. Okay. Okay, this is projection, sorry. Okay, negative, you pull from here to here, and then here you will get 61.8% over here. Okay, and then how you get extension? This is projection, 61.8% projection here, and then you pull the Fibo from here to here. Okay, and then you will get Fibonacci extension. Okay, how to do it? Let me show you guys here. For example, let me find another. Okay, this is very good example of Fibonacci Confluence here. Okay, let me just remove all. Let me see how I draw. I also forgot. Okay. Okay, for example here, first I find the level, I find support and resistance levels first. Second, I pull retracement from here to here. Okay, and then you pull out, or I think I should this. Okay, you can see that your first support and second support it line up with 38.2% and 61.8%. Okay, so I show like this. Okay, and after that draw extension. Okay, here my extension, draw from here to here. You pull out all the Fibonacci, and then you can see that this is my first resistance and second resistance. It line up with extension 127.20% and 145%. So I show like this. Okay, and then I use projection. Okay, I think from my projection from here to here. Sorry guys, I cannot see. Okay, you can see that my second level, my second resistance has 61.8% projection. So this level I have 145 extension. Okay, Okay, 145 extension. Okay, and what's that number? Okay, 61.8 projection. Okay. Okay, here. You see here? 145 extension and 61.8% projection. So this is a confluence zone for second resistance. Okay. And when you see like this, and you can see 2 times the price touches. Okay, zoom in for you to see. 1 time, 2 time, and then the price is rejected from there. Okay. This is how I get Fibonacci confluence zone. I don't even know. Lagging, maybe I think your internet connection. I think so far everyone can see there is no lagging, right? So far. Let me just ask. So uh, so far you guys can see my screen, there is no lagging, right? Not lagging. Okay. 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 Yeah, I think there might be some issue with your internet connection. I can see, but there is a delay with your voice and screen. Yeah, I think there might be some issue with your internet connection. Yeah. Okay, but it's good to go though. Okay. Okay, this is how I find the level. Okay, so this is the zone. So sometimes if you cannot see the like the market structures like this, you can just zoom in to see like this, right? Like I say, if you want to use projection, which is in trading view, it's called fib extension, but we use for projection. For the projection, you need to find like zigzag, you know, right? Like here I draw from like this one to this one to project this level. Okay, so far so good, right, guys? Okay, let me find another example for you. So this is a good level. Okay, and this, let me try to find another example for you guys. Yeah, this is so okay. For example, here, if you don't want to find this level, I think you can. Okay, I have one question for you guys. Can I draw Fibonacci? Can I draw from this one to this one for the Fibonacci retracement? Do you think do you think I draw it correctly? Do you guys still remember? Okay. Kusuma say no. What about the rest of you guys? Do you think I draw like from this one to this one correctly? Okay. Like this one never happened, yeah? Like this chart is not happening yet, okay? For example, like only, for example, like this one. Okay, and then I want to like predict where the price is going to. Can I draw from this high to this low? Okay, some say yes, some say no. Okay, can I draw like this? No. Okay. Okay, so to me, I don't use this high. Why? Because if you can see that here price is already retraced quite deep here. From this one, you can see that it's already too deep. So I'm not going to use this level. Okay. So where I'm going to draw my retracement sheet, I draw from there. Okay, from here, because I'm not using this one. Why? Price is already pull back, like, you know, retrace very deep from here to here already. So I'm not use that. I'm use from here to here, and this is my the low here. Okay, and this is the level that I'm looking at, which is okay, this is the area. Okay, this is could be my support, right? Support now become resistance because of price break above, break below. So this my, let's say, just first resistance, and this is my zone to sell. Okay, I don't know whether, let's see. Okay, like this. Okay, it's so slow. You can see that when price come to this zone, it's reverse. Okay, like from here to here. Why? Because it's my zone that I want to sell. This is very good level overlap resistance, and combine with 61.8%, and then from here you sell, boom, price come down here. Okay, this is how you draw Fibonacci retracement. Okay, let me go back to our slide. Again, this is another Fibonacci Confluence. From here, your starting point here, your ending point here. Okay, you draw from here to here, and then you will get extension 161.8% and 127.2% extension. Okay, and when you can see that price, it react at 127.2% extension and projection 100%, which is you project from here. Okay, you draw from here to here. Okay, and then you get projection here 100%. Okay, guys. Another example from here, this one combined with 61.8% expansion and 161.8% extension. So basically, you draw Fibo from extension from here. I, think from here, where is starting point? From here to here, you see 61.8%, and extension is here. Where is extension? It's this level. Okay, how? Let me go to our example. Let me go find another pair. I think today I have quite a few. Okay, for example here, this is okay, this TA if you we send to IC market. So if you want to read, you can go to IC market blog. Okay, or this analysis we send daily to IC market. Anyway, you can see that. So basically here how I find the conference from here. This is at 61.8% retracement and 78.6% projection. So basically, okay, let me, how you draw. First, we draw from here to here. Okay, retracement from here to here. You can see this is 61.8% retracement, right? And then you want to find projection, you project from this level to here or here. Okay, you can see that this is 61.8%, this is 78.6% projection. So this is the area that I'm kind of like watch out for the zone, like this zone for the support zone here. Okay, and actually this is 61.8% projection. You can see that when you use this, the price could not break through and then it's reward up, but I put this one at intermediate because it's not very strong level. Why? Because if you were to look on your left, there is no level, it's just only one single projection. So I just put intermediate. And if you were to observe, there is a lot of weak and rejection here, so I just put that is the reason why I put intermediate here. Okay, any questions so far, guys? Or okay, let's say if you want to use Fibonacci retracement, it doesn't you can draw any time frame. If you are scalping or scalper, you can go to even lower to let me to M15. Okay, let me just draw for you guys the fresh one. For example, I try to get okay, this is on downtrend, right? Let's just say on downtrend. I want to use retracement from here to here. Okay, I think this is should be 50%, almost 50% here. And you can see that when I draw from here to here, or even here, I think I'll just pick this high to this low. Okay, you can see that price it taps on 60% here. Okay, here 60% here, and price reverse down. Okay, and then I draw from here to here. This is extension. Okay, and then you combine with let me see, you combine with support level. Okay, okay, the reason why I pick this level because you can see here one touch, two touch, three touches. Okay, and then it's almost touching my zone here. Okay, you can project like this. Okay, this your support, this M15. Okay, this how if you want to like scalp, this is, let's say you were to sell from here, for example, this is the level, and you zoom in, you see that this is the price ranging around this zone. Okay, if you were to notice, you know that if there is a very big move, price will ranging or consolidate around here, and after that it will drop from here. So if you were to sell from here, this is your TP here. Okay, by using Fibonacci extension to project your TP, which chart is more suitable for FB? FB, what do you mean? Facebook? What does it mean, FB? Oh. You mean Fibo, right? Okay, sorry. I thought okay. Actually Fibonacci is not say suitable. You can draw with like M15, M30, H1 or H4, it's okay. It's depend on what type of trader you are. But to me, you can draw like H1 or H4, but if you like you like to scout M15, M30, that would be okay. Let's just say go. Okay, if you were to scout go, and then you just let me go for H4 first. Okay, okay, this is my view for gold. I think it's still going down. Okay, let's just delete, and then I just go to M15. Okay, for example. Okay, for the example, okay, if only from like, if only from here, for example here. Okay, I see like that. I will use Fibo here to here, and I pull out. Okay, and I know that this is the level, which is, I may watch out for this level. Okay, let me see. Okay, this, okay, this is not a good example. Let me remove, let me go like the way back. More drawing. Okay, for example, okay, here, if you work on M15, for example, you can see that this is price already come from your support here. When you see price is going up here, you can start to draw Fibo. Okay, from your left to the right. Okay, and then you look for the zone here. This is might be retracement. Okay, like this zone, because this is a 50% here. So this is a zone I was looking at, which is this is the zone. So if I were to buy from here, you buy from here, because this is a level, right? It's already at the support level. You may wait for the confirmation, like if this candle M15 is engulfing candle, then you can buy second candle. But if you are really aggressive trader, you know that, okay, this is the level, buy from the support, and then you just buy from here. Where you're gonna get the TP, you can just either this could be your TP1. Okay, which is, this one should be, okay, I will put this one TP1. Okay, which is the, I will show around this. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, price hits TP1 already. So this one is not valid anymore. If you still want to hold, you can just set B, or you remove your SL from like below to put here, and then this is not valid anymore. Priority to break above, you just leave 60% here, 50% here, and then price all the way up. Okay, you can see price tap on this zone and then on the way down, which is, I think this zone is 50, between 50 and 61%, which is this the zone. Okay, here you can see that. Then price boom all the way down to the support level. Okay, for the day trader, everything is also okay. For day trader, I think M15 is okay, especially for forex. I think M15 is, if you trade gold, I think is M15 is okay, because I myself, I even scalp in M1. Okay, like if you want to trade by using Fibonacci M15 M30, it's okay, still okay if you are a day trader. Yeah, but now I think I use Fibonacci is more to H1 and H4. Okay, this one I just want to find example for you if you want to scout like gold by using Fibonacci in like lower time frame, even in M15 or M30. Okay, let me just find one more example for you in the lower time frame. Okay, and try to find our Confluence. For example, if I were to, okay, like, okay, I draw from here to here. 60, 60. Okay, I try to find example for you guys. See it. Okay, again, this is a zone. We have 61.8 projection. Okay, like this the zone. Okay, we have 61.8% projection and 61.8% retracement. If you were to zoom in from here, price is almost touches. This is our, okay, I will tell you my strategy. I'm using Fibonacci to trade. Okay, so now basically I'm using with the zone like this. For example, this is my demand zone. Okay, this is called demand zone. If you want to see like this, someone call hidden base here. Okay, rally base, rally. If you guys trade demand and supply, you will know. Okay, we have demand zone here. We have 61.8% retracement and 61.8% projection. So when you want to draw like that, and then you can see price is tapped in this zone and then it's all the way up until here. For example, you buy from here. Okay, you want to buy from here. For example, you buy from here, and then you don't know where to put the TP. You can use based on my eyes. Okay, this is the area that I will watch out, because this is the slightly have the price zone here. This could be my TP, like here, like this zone. Okay, and let's see. You see? Okay, why is this zone important to me? Why I look at this zone? Because there is 61.8% and this is my supply zone here. Okay, if you were to trade like double top or like the M pattern, depend on like you guys call, this might be like something like that, right? And then this level could be like next line. You see, when price is go up touching this zone, like this zone, like the next line here, and the price is all the way down, and 61.8%, I think you can show also 78.6 too high, so I don't use it. I only use 61.8%, and then I got in the trade, okay, from here, and then price all the way down here. Okay, that is a question. Let me see. Instead of manual Fibonacci, is it better to use Fibonacci indicator in MT4? MT4, I'm not sure. I don't think in MT4 you can use the EA. Maybe there is, but I prefer to use or draw Fibonacci myself. But I think in trading view, there we Fibo maybe this one. Oh, so weird. Let me see. What's this? I think there is Fibonacci indicator. I think auto fib, but I will tell you why I don't use this one, because they not pick the recent high or recent low. For example, let me just remove all drawing. Okay, and me go to head 4. Okay, for example here. Okay, you can see that they draw from here to here, but to me, you can draw like this. That's correct. Like they would draw from this one to this one, and then you will get 61.8% here. But I don't use it, because if I were to draw, okay, I will draw from this one, okay, and then I will get this level 38.2%. Why I pick this level? Because this is like okay, this is my, this one used to be my resistance, my support now become resistance, right? Okay, and then you see when you draw from here, you know that this is like quite important zone. Like you were to see this a long wick here, and this one should be like 50% and 38.2%. This is why when the price come to like this zone, then it's all the way down. Okay, if just now we use auto, they will draw from here to here, which is from here to here, and then you will get like the zone, right? Do you think that which level should I use if you were to use like this? 62.8. You mentioned 61% level, but normally it is mentioned 62. Oh, 61.8. Okay, I mentioned 61.8 level. Maybe I say wrongly. Yeah, it's a 61.8%, not 62.8. Sorry if I say wrongly. Yeah, it's 61.8%. Okay, this the one. Do you think that if I were to draw from here to here, do you think that price will stop at which level? If you were to trade, this is the zone that I will get in the trade. From here to here, this is demand zone and have 61.8%, which is golden zone. Okay. Any questions so far, guys? And let me find more example for you. Okay, let's look at GJ. I think now GJ is really fine to the moon, because if we were to trade here last 2 weeks ago, this is my extension, price break above already, so this is not a good example. Let me try to get conference. Okay, for okay, Like for this one, this has confluence zone, which is we have 78.6% projection and we have 127.2 extension. When the price tap in the zone and then revert up, okay. So basically, I draw from here. I draw from here to here, okay, to get extension, okay. And then I draw projection from, I think from here to here. No, it's actually this the one. Okay, 78.6%. Which is, am I correct? Yes. Okay. From this one to this one, 78.6% and 127.2%. Okay. That's why when price tap in and then it's reversed from here, you can see the level of 100 is much safer than 61.6. 100%? No. 100% is just a starting point. Okay. Why you want to wait at 100%? Okay. If you to draw here, for example, okay, this is from resistance level, right? You were to draw from here to here. This is 100% is your starting point. We use Fibonacci for the price to pull back or retrace and then you sell. Okay, if you were to draw like this, okay, this is 78.6% retracement. Why you want to wait at 100% here? 100% meaning this is your resistance. Okay, you can wait and then you can get the sell from here. But we draw Fibonacci, we want to get the level where the price reverse or retrace, and then you buy or you sell by using Fibo. Okay, 90, more than 90% in H4. The winning or the ratio here. Will you, okay, you want to see from here, right? This is the level and the price is touch this one and then all the way down. Okay, in H4 you can see that if you were to draw support and resistance, okay, this is might be my resistance zone. Here you can see really nice, even though I don't really like this level, but I like what happened price is react in this level in the past. Okay, this is why I get in this my resistance, price tap in and then all the way down here, and after that price all the way down here, somewhere like this. Okay, my resistance down, I can use my Fibo. Okay, here, so now this is could be my first resistance, right? And this is could be my second resistance, which is line up with or somewhere have negative 27.2%. Why I can do this is called expansion. Why I can do expansion? Because from here to here price is already retraced more than 50%. So I can use negative 27.2% expansion. Okay, this is I draw. Okay, and from here you can use to help you to get the level. Let me see. Okay, from here I retrace more than, so my I can use this This is my support. Wait, let me see. And this is my second support. Like I just maybe put here. Let me see. Okay, so 61 price retrace from here to here, price 61.8. I show 61.8%, and where is it? Chips this one. 61. Okay, so this is the zone. Okay, I draw a did. Let's see. Okay, you can see that this is my resistance and had negative 27.2, and from here price break above my first resistance, right? But it stopped at my second resistance, which is we have negative 27.2%. Okay, and then this level we do have, I think, retracement from here. No, I think should be no, so we cannot use. So if you were to draw like this, right, you cannot use retracement here because don't have any confluence here. But this is how I use Fibo. Okay, then all the way down. When the break like that, you just find the new level again. So far, you guys have any question? Okay. Any tips to draw correctly Fibonacci? Okay. Okay. Easy for you. If price on uptrend, you have to draw your starting point here, your starting point on the up here, ending point here. Okay. This is on downtrend. Okay, you wait for the price to pull back to here, and then you sell. For example, price is pull back, or this the level you kind of like look at, which is 61.8% retracement. Okay, and then you sell from here. This is for downtrend. Okay, it's always 100 on top. Okay, you should always 100 on top here. Your starting point, your ending point, you wait for the price to pull back, and then you sell. What's about uptrend? Price on uptrend, your starting point 100 is always below, like this. Okay, your 100 starting point, ending point. Okay, pull, you wait for the price to drop back here, and then you buy. So okay, this is you buy. For example, it's always you draw Fibo from your left to the right, meaning let's go back to the chart. Okay, you draw Fibo always. I zoom in for you to see like this, right? You always draw from starting point, ending point from here, 100 like this. Okay, not drawing from like this, not not drawing from this one to this one. no, not drawing from like this one to this one like this. That's wrong. Okay, you cannot draw like this your left, right. You cannot draw from this to this. You cannot draw like this. You cannot draw from your right to the left. Always left to the right like this. And then price tap in 61.8% here, and then price boom come down. Okay, and if you want to draw and use Fibo effectively, right, you need to find the level with either support and resistance, and then you can either with support and resistance, demand and supply zone, and then you try to get a confluence zone, and then you can use the level. For example here, one last example, for example here, yeah, this is okay, this is the resistance zone, right? This is support become resistance. Okay, if you were to draw from here, for example, if you were to draw from here, like it's here, you know that price is already break your support, right? You can draw from like here, like here, like here to here. Okay, and then you think it's about 50%, and then this is become your resistance. Okay, you may see. Okay, you see that price react at this zone. This is a resistance zone which is has Fibonacci 60%. So this is called overlap resistance. All right. So far so good, guys. Before I end the webinars, where is my okay, I would like guys to vote for this webinar. 5 is the best. 5 to 1. 5 is the best one. Please help me to vote. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. You're welcome, Desiree. Okay, I think every one of you already vote for me. Appreciate that. Okay, I think I'm going to end the webinar for today. Okay, and I hope to see you again maybe next webinars. All right, happy trading, guys. Have a good day. Okay, bye for now. Bye.